Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let us continue our discussion with respect to the environmental, social governance, sustainability and climate change related questions. Next question is about a sustainability policy. This sustainability policy should outline the organizational commitment to practice and the standards designed to promote sustainable development for responsible operations. So, eight different items to be included in the sustainability policy, like we can say vision, mission statement, vision statements, the sustainability definition, the scope, and we can think about the objectives and targets, implementation strategy, reporting methods, and commitment from leadership. So, certain tools for creating a sustainability program, you can say, which we are utilizing in the industry. So how do you create a sustainability strategy? So, five key steps to a sustainable corporate strategy. We can think about understanding sustainability and recognizing what it means to the company exactly. And definitely, we need to engage with the stakeholders, setting goals and commitments, establishing systems and the processes, and tracking the progress. Very important, tracking the progress and communicate actions and the meeting expectations of the organization or the stakeholders. And we can talk about, like we can say, the steps are talk and engage, prepare a business case for ensuring stakeholder engagements are taking place, and assessing and prioritize the focus areas based on our specific markets and the value chain. Commit and collaborate, build the right partnership with the key stakeholders, measure the reports, finding the right metrics to evaluate the progress related to the sustainability, educate and communicate. Most importantly, be transparent with consumers about your sustainability progress. And next is about the sustainability management system. This concept, which is a systematic approach that provides the guidelines for any organization for what to evaluate, manage, and improve the sustainability by optimizing on resource use. And this is being developed. So the sustainability management system is being developed as a prerequisite for the success of sustainable development roadmap actually. Then we talk about what is the meaning of total sustainability management, where total sustainability management of the organization, it's necessary because it helps in judicious use of the resources without overuse and compromising with the needs of future generation. So this total sustainability management system, where we include governance, policy and planning, identification of risk and opportunities, technical implementation, the behavioral changes, sustainability in the curriculum, and monitoring and targeting. We can include about the procurement and ethics, verification of the savings, legal compliances, standard compliances. So this is what we include or integrate in total sustainability management. What is the meaning of sustainable design? What is the meaning of sustainable design? So we can say sustainable design seeks to reduce negative impacts on the environment and the health and the comfort of the building occupants, thereby improving building performance. So the basic objective of sustainability are to reduce consumptions of non-renewable resources, minimizing the waste and create healthy productive environment. So this sustainability design shall be included in different phases of the life cycle of the products or services, where we can consider the raw material extractions, material processing, product manufacturing, distribution, product use, and end of life actually. Then, how to develop a sustainability action plan? This is the next question, where we can consider developing a sustainability action plan, where we need to assemble the competent planning team, the capable planning team, review the program's mission and the purpose, review the sustainability assessment tools, results actually, and determine which program element need to be maintained, eliminated, and adapted actually. And then we can go for prioritization of the areas of the sustainability capacity to address them first, and write a sustainability action plan with specific action steps actually. Next is about what is the meaning of sustainability assessment. Sustainability assessment, we can say it's a complex appraisal method which is conducted for supporting decision making and policy in a broad environment, economic, social context, and which is A purely technical and scientific evaluation considering five core elements or components like people, resources, finance, facilities, and the value chain. When we talk about the people, we talk about the culture, talent, leadership, well-being, learning and development. We talk about resources like energy, water, material, raw material, waste, right? Then we talk about the finances, profitability, ROI, finance, metrics. In the facilities, we talk about the buildings, landscapings, utilities, infrastructure management. In value chain, we talk about procurement, supply chain, customer business models, and community product innovations actually. Next question is about what is the meaning of sustainability assessment tools. So sustainability assessment tool examples are like risk assessments, life cycle assessment, cost benefit analysis, integrated assessment models, sustainable impact assessments. We can think about the future scenario analysis as well. So these are certain examples of the sustainability assessment tools. Next question is about what is the meaning of sustainability standards and certifications. So sustainability standards and certifications are voluntary guidelines which are used by the producers, manufacturers, traders, retailers, and service providers to demonstrate their commitment to good environmental, social, ethical, and food safety practices actually. One of the example for the certification is LEED, where we say leadership in energy and environmental design. This is the most widely used green building rating system in the world. So LEED certified buildings reducing stress on the environment. They are more energy and resource efficient. They generate less waste and lower the use of energy, water, and other resources. So points which can be earned for storage, collection of the recyclable, and renewable energy use and indoor water use reductions actually. Next question is about what is the meaning of energy management system. Energy management system, it's a process of tracking and optimizing energy consumption to conserve the uses. And we can say there are few steps for the process of energy management, where we can say collecting and analyzing the continuous data, identify optimizations in the equipment schedules, set points and flow rates to the improvement in the energy efficiency. So this energy management cycle considers the planning and organization, implementations, verifications, monitoring and reporting. We go for company commitments and understanding the energy use actually. Then next is about what is the ISO 50001. That is nothing but our energy management system, where this is a voluntary standard for designing, implementing and maintaining any energy management system. So 50001 provides a framework for requirements of the organization to develop a policy for more energy efficient uses. Okay, and we are fixing the targets and objectives to meet the policy and using the data to better understand and make decisions about the energy uses. Next is about what is the environmental management system. EMS or environment management system, it's a set of process and practices which is enabling any organization to reduce its environmental impacts and increasing the operating efficiency of that organization. So EMS is a systematic database which integrates procedures and processes for training of the personnel, monitoring, summarizing and reporting of specialized environmental performance information to internal and external stakeholders of a firm. So in the EMS, environmental management system, we have environmental policy, planning, implementation, checking and management review. So in the planning phase, we can consider the environmental aspects, impacts. We can think about environmental aspect impact assessments, the compliance verifications and compliance evaluations as well, objectives and targets. We can think about environmental management programs. In the implementation side, we can think about roles and responsibilities for environmental management, trainings and communication, document control, emergency preparedness and response. In the checking and corrective actions, we talk about the measurement, performance measurement and monitoring, EMS, non-conformances, corrective actions, records, audits, and then finally we go for the management review, and that's how we complete the drive for continual improvement. So next is about ISO 14001. This is a standard. ISO standard for environmental management system, which is again a systematic framework uh, to manage the immediate and long-term environmental impacts of any organizational products, services, and the processes. So this 14,000 is a family of standards which relates to the environmental management, and that exists to help organizations in minimizing how their operations negatively affect the environment, comply with the applicable laws, regulations, and other environmentally oriented requirements actually. And finally, how to continually improve in all above cases actually. Next is about what is the occupational health and safety management, which is again related to the ESG social factors. So, an occupational health and safety management system is a fundamental part of any organizational risk management strategy. Implementing an occupational health and safety management system, which is enabling any organization to protect its workforce and others under its control. So, comply with the legal requirements, facilitate continual improvement. Yeah, this is the objective of the occupational health and safety management system. And basically we can think about by preventing work related injuries or ill health, as well as by proactively improving its OHS performance. That's also, it's a the ISO 14001, or we can say occupational health and safety management system, is supporting actually. So this ISO 45001, again ISO standard for management system of occupational health and safety, and the goal of this standard is in reduction of the occupational injuries and diseases, including promoting, protecting physical and mental health actually. So thank you very much friends for now, and we'll continue our discussion from the next. Thank you.